Ta-da! Alright, we got a box. In this box is something amazing. Alright, just want to make a shout out to my friends at Harold's Miniatures. Doug is the best. Doug had this up on Facebook within like 15 minutes and was like, I gotta have this. I went nuts. So you ready? 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 Hold on. Now. Ready? Ready? Bam! Oh yes. I am super stoked about this. Oh, look, the car is even on the box. Cool. Well, let's open it up and see how it is. But I should note that these cars are numbered minus 34 of 300. Neat. I wish I had more hands. More hands. I need more hands. Let's open this. Alright, that's not going to work. Hold on. Not you. So, alright, time to open this up. Guys, I already took off the title. Here we go. Sweet! Look at that. That's amazing. Awesome. It's even got the little decals. Oh, well, yeah, go.
That's my favorite part.
Look how awesome that is. Oh, it's even up there. 34 of 300. So cool. Well, there you have it, guys. The Linkin Park AMG number 75 from Road Atlanta. Made by Spark. Sweet.